Hello children, today we will discuss some more question from exercise 7.2. Question number 6. Write in single exponent form. So we have to write down this in single form, means single exponential form के फॉर्म में फाइंड आउट करना है, लिखना है, ठीक है ना. एंड वन अनदर लॉ विच वी विल यूज a to the power m multiply with b to the power m. ठीक है, मीन्स पावर्स आर सेम बट बेस आर डिफरेंट, सो यू कैन राइट डाउन a मल्टीप्लाई b टू द होल पावर m. मीन्स ये बोथ की पावर में जो एक्सपोनेंशियल है वो बोथ का शो हो जाता है ओवरऑल. ठीक है, सो हाउ वी राइट दिस? दिस विल बिकम 5 मल्टीप्लाई विद 3 टू द होल पावर 2 एंड यू कैन राइट डाउन 5 3 is 15 to the power 2. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट 6 powers are same, so you can write down 6 multiply with the 10 to the whole power 4. This will become 60 to the whole power 4. ठीक है, next one is minus 2 to the power 5 multiply with 4 to the power 5. So here power are same. Minus 2 multiply with 4 to the whole power 5. ठीक है, this minus will multiply with plus, so this will become minus 8 to the whole power 5. ठीक है, one more, a multiply with minus b to the power 3 and you can write down minus a b to the power 3. Okay, now next minus a to the power 4 multiply with minus b to the power 4, so this will become minus a into minus b to the whole power 4. ठीक है, minus with multiply with minus, this will become positive and positive we need not to show, so a b to the whole power 4 and you need not to show the multiplication sign between the a also. इसमें भी between में multiplication का साइन शो करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. expand means what is the sign between 3 and a? Multiply. What is the sign? Multiply. What is the sign between minus 6 and a? Multiply here. ठीक है, so how we expand this? This will become 3 raised to the power 5 multiply a raised to the power 5. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट 4 raised to the power 6 multiply 3 raised to the power 6. Same here, minus 6 raised to the power 3 multiply with a raised to the power 3. ठीक है, माइनस वी विल यूज माइनस वन टाइम ओनली. ठीक है, सेम हियर, a raised to the power 10 multiply with b raised to the power 10. Same here, 8 raised to the power 11 multiply with minus b raised to the power 11. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. सिंप्लीफाई एंड आंसर इन एक्सपोनेंशियल. ठीक है, सिंप्लीफाई करना है और इसका आंसर जो है वो एक्सपोनेंशियल की फॉर्म में राइट डाउन करना है. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 5 to the power 5. ठीक है, so you can write down 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. This 2 to the power 3 multiply 2 and 2. ठीक है, 2 to the power 2 multiply 5 will multiply 1 time 2 time 3 time 4 time and 5 time. ठीक है, so write down this. First calculate the value of 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. 32 multiply 32 multiply with 5 5 the 5 5 25, 25 5 125, 125 5 625, and 625 multiply with 625 multiply with 5, 5 5 25, 5 2, 5 2 10, 12 2 carry 1, 5 6 30. ठीक है, this will become 31 and 25. ठीक है, and we have to change this in exponential. Again multiply with this 3200 125 multiply with 32. So 32 से multiply करना है इसको. ठीक है, 2 5 10, 0 carry 1, 4 5, 2 1 2, 2 3 6 multiply this 15 5 carry 1, 3 2 6 7 carry 3 1 3 and 3 3 9. So this will become 0 0 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1 means 10 1 lakh, sorry 1 lakh. So the answer is 1 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5, and you can write down this 10 to the power 5 because we have to change this in exponential form. ठीक है, question number 4, 4 to the power 6, and here also base is 4, a b b. ठीक है, so how we solve this? 4 to the power 6 upon 4 to the power 3. सेपरेट कर लीजिए इनको. 4 to the power 2, 3 4 to the power 6 multiply with a to the power 8 upon a to the power 5 multiply with b to the power 5 and b to the power 2. ठीक है, so you can write down 4 to the power 6 minus 3. डिवीजन में है ना, that's why multiply a to the power 8 minus 5 multiply with b to the power 5 minus 2. So the final answer is here 4 to the power 3, 4 to the power 3, a to the power 3 and b to the power 3, and you can write down the answer 4ab to the power 3, 4ab to the whole power 3. ठीक है भाई, डिवीजन में है, so डिवीजन केस में the base is same, so we will subtract the powers. So 6 minus 3, 8 minus 5, 5 minus 2. ठीक है, 6 minus 3, 3, 8 minus 5, 3 and 5 minus 2, 3. ठीक है, and we can write down this, if power is same then we can write down by the law of this law a b to the power m means 4ab to the power 3. ठीक है, one more question number C, 2 to the power 8. So we will change this in the power of 2. यानी किसमें चेंज करेंगे इसको? 2 की पावर में चेंज करेंगे फर्स्ट. सो हाउ वी सॉल्व दिस? 2 to the power 8 रिमेन सेम. ठीक है, multiply with a to the power 5 will also same upon 2. 4 we can write down 4 as 2 to the power 2 और whole power 3. भाई 4 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 2 means 2 to the 4, 2 को 2 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ठीक है ना, so we will get 4. So you can write down 4 as 2 to the power 2 and 3 the power 3 will remain same multiply with a to the power 3. ठीक है, again we can simplify more. 2 to the power 8 and separate these terms. 2 to the power 3 to the 6 multiply with a to the power 5 and a to the power 3. So you can write down this 2 to the power 8 minus 6 multiply with a to the power 5 minus 3. So you can write down this a to the power 2 to the power 2 multiply with a to the power 2 and this will 2a to the power 2. ठीक है, 2a to the power 2. Now next question number D of the same question number 8. 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 1. This will become 2 to the power first 2 to the power 3 plus 1 and whole power 2 remain same. ठीक है, 2 to the power 4 to the whole power 2. We can simplify more this. 2 to the power 4 cross 2 means 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8. Question number E. A to the power 5, a to the power 3. ठीक है, so this will become first a to the power 5 minus 3 multiply with a to the power 8. ठीक है, this will become a to the power 2 multiply with a to the power 8. Now base are same, so you can write down a to the power 2 plus 8 means a to the power 10. Children, the remaining question from question number 6, 7, 8 you have to